Salt. It's everywhere in our food. We sprinkle it on our fries, shake it onto our popcorn, and stir it into our soups. It's a flavor enhancer, a preservative, and a staple in kitchens worldwide. But behind its seemingly harmless presence lies a hidden cost. While salt regulates fluids and aids nerve function, too much can be detrimental. Overconsumption leads to health problems. It's time we take a closer look at our salt intake. Reducing our intake is a step towards a healthier life. The overconsumption of salt has been linked to a range of health issues, making it a growing concern in today's world. High blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke, is directly influenced by excessive salt intake. When we consume too much salt, it disrupts the delicate balance of fluids in our bodies. This imbalance puts a strain on our blood vessels, causing them to constrict and harden, ultimately leading to elevated blood pressure. But the risks don't stop there. High-salt diets have also been linked to an increased risk of kidney disease, osteoporosis, and even certain types of cancer. These conditions can significantly impact our quality of life, highlighting the importance of making informed choices about our salt consumption. It's not about eliminating salt entirely, but rather about finding a healthy balance. By understanding the potential consequences of excessive salt intake, we can make conscious decisions to reduce our consumption and prioritize our long-term health and well-being. Cooking without salt might seem daunting at first, but it's far from flavorless. In fact, it's an opportunity to rediscover the natural deliciousness of fresh ingredients and explore a world of exciting alternative seasonings. Without salt masking the true tastes, you'll be amazed by the sweetness of a ripe tomato, the earthy depth of mushrooms, or the bright zest of citrus fruits. Your taste buds will come alive as they experience the full potential of each ingredient. Moreover, reducing your salt intake can have remarkable benefits for your health. Lowering your blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease, and improving kidney function are just a few of the advantages of adopting a salt-free approach to cooking. Cooking without salt is not about deprivation. It's about embracing a healthier and more flavorful way of life. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out and savoring the pure, unadulterated tastes that nature has to offer. One of the biggest misconceptions about salt-free cooking is that it lacks flavor. The truth is, there's a whole universe of herbs, spices, and other seasonings just waiting to be explored. These natural flavor enhancers can add depth, complexity, and excitement to your dishes without relying on excess salt. Fresh herbs like basil, rosemary, thyme, and oregano bring a burst of freshness and aroma to your cooking. Spices like cumin, coriander, paprika, and turmeric offer warm, earthy notes, while chili flakes and black pepper provide a welcome kick. Don't forget about citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, and oranges offer a bright, tangy acidity that can balance flavors and awaken your palate. Experiment with different combinations to discover your personal favorites and create dishes that are bursting with flavor. The possibilities are endless when it comes to salt-free seasoning. Embrace the adventure, get creative in the kitchen, and unlock a world of taste sensations you never knew existed. Section 5. Mastering the art of salt-free cooking. Tips and tricks. Transitioning to a salt-free cooking style might require a slight adjustment. Focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients. Natural flavors will shine through without excess salt. Experiment with herbs and spices. Start small and adjust to your liking. Taste your food as you cook. With practice, salt-free cooking can be easy and enjoyable. Unleash your inner chef, adapting recipes for a healthier you. You don't need to abandon your favorite recipes to embrace a salt-free lifestyle. With a few simple adjustments, you can make dishes healthier and just as delicious. Look for low-sodium or salt-free options in pre-packaged ingredients. Substitute salt with seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, or a salt-free herb blend. Use acidic ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, or wine to enhance flavors. Cooking is about experimentation and having fun. Section 7. Taste the difference. Embracing a life less salty. Once you start cooking without salt, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Your taste buds will become more sensitive, allowing you to appreciate the natural flavors of food more fully. You might even find yourself craving fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains over processed snacks and fast food. Reducing your salt intake can also have a positive impact on your overall health. You may experience lower blood pressure, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. These benefits can contribute to a better quality of life and a greater sense of well-being. Embracing a life less salty is not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and enhance your enjoyment of food. It's about savoring the true essence of ingredients and discovering a world of flavor that goes beyond the salt shaker. Section 8. A final sprinkle of advice. Your journey to delicious and healthy eating. As you embark on this journey towards healthier cooking, remember that it's a marathon, not a sprint. Start by making small changes, like swapping out salt for other seasonings, or opting for low-sodium alternatives. Gradually reduce your salt intake over time, allowing your taste buds to adjust. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Try new recipes, explore different cuisines, and discover the endless possibilities of salt-free cooking. Most importantly, enjoy the process. Cooking should be a joyful experience, and with a little creativity, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that nourish your body and soul. So, put down the salt shaker and embrace a world of flavor that's good for you and good for your taste buds. Your journey to delicious and healthy eating starts now.